Rainy season in Rwanda. Yeah, this is the rainy season, and it will kind of draw near end of October, maybe end of November. But I've actually seen it worse with gusty winds. I mean, knock over table winds. But this looks like a mild shower maybe coming through. Much more torrential rain came through last week. I was across the street at the restaurant, the hotel restaurant, and I could not. It was 45 minutes, and it was torrential, strong winds, lightning, thunder. It was horrible. So yeah, this is the rainy season.